Hello everyone, welcome to Web 102. I am Jamal Abdul Nasir and this is lecture 1 on full stack development course. So obviously there is no previous lectures to watch, but having HTML and JavaScript experience would be a plus. So you can revise HTML and JavaScript concepts. We will cover HTML, CSS and JavaScript in this course as well, but obviously not in much detail. So what this course is about? This course is about developing modern web applications, obviously based on full stack, right? And full stack in terms of MERN stack. So what is full stack? We will see later on as well. So what is full stack web application architecture? So we have web browser, right? Where user would be interacting with your web application. That web browser would communicate over the internet by using HTTP to some web server, right? In our case, it would be Node.js web server, okay? And that Node.js server or any web server, if we want to store some information on permanent basis, then we do need some storage system. It could be relational database, MySQL, Oracle, right? Or NoSQL, MongoDB. In this course, we will be covering MongoDB. Technologies and concepts. So browser environment, browser software, backend communication, and backend implementation. So these are the 4 technologies and concepts that we would be learning in this course. So what is browser environment? In terms of browser environment, we would say HTML, CSS, JavaScript, markup, right? So basically, this is the separation of content and style so that we can reuse and make use of JavaScript, right? And we will also cover document object model, DOM. So in terms of browser software, we will discuss model view controller, MVC. All modern web applications are based on model view controller. Single page applications, responsive design, would be based on React.js. Backend communication, we will learn how to design an API, right? HTTP through AJAX, REST API, GraphQL. Cookies, sessions, why do we need that sessions, right? What is state management, storage, trust, security. And at the backend implementation, web server would be, and in our case, it would be Node.js. And DBMS, schema, objects, CRUD, indexes, transactions, this would be handled by MongoDB. So this would be backend implementation, Node.js and MongoDB. For end-to-end communication, obviously backend implementation would be catering the problem of scalability and network security, network attacks, right? Overall security of your web app. Software requirements for this course, you can use any IDE, right? Visual Studio or any other IDE. But software requirements, we do require 3 softwares: modern web browser, and I would prefer or I would strongly recommend Chrome, right? And second software requirement is Node.js. You can easily download Node.js software, and it's very easy to install on your computer, and then you can simply install packages by using npm command, okay? And third would be MongoDB. So it is also very easy to install. So course outline and topics that we will be covering in this course: HTML, CSS, cascading style sheets, URLs and links, JavaScript, DOM and DOM events, React.js, and single page applications, responsive web designs, right? And for backend thing, Node.js, Express.js for error handling and all the stuff. We would be covering Express.js. So in MERN, that is Express.js. Storage tier, right? Cookies and sessions, full stack state management, web app security, in which we will discuss what is browser isolation thing, and network and other attacks. So this is all about this course. So I hope you will learn a lot in this course. So please install all required software so that once we have started this coding part, then you have already installed all the required softwares on your computer. If you have any question or comments, you can comment on YouTube video. Please like this video, share with your friends, and keep learning. And do not forget to subscribe so that you can get notification of next lecture.